Can Jamaica's women's relay team finally capture the elusive Olympic gold in the 4x400 meters relay at the Paris Olympics? Stay tuned as we dive into their journey, the rising stars to watch, and what it will take to bring home the gold. Jamaica has a rich history in relay events, and the potential for winning gold in the women's 4x400 meters relay at the Paris Olympics is within reach. With rising talents like Candice McLeod, Nickisha Pryce, Cherokee Young, Stacey Ann Williams, and Janieve Russell, the Jamaican women's team has a solid foundation upon which to build. Achieving the goal of winning Olympic gold will indeed require all athletes to run exceptional times, ideally averaging around 49.50 seconds per leg. Preparation needs to focus on perfecting baton exchanges, race strategy, and maintaining peak physical condition. Relays are often the most exciting part of track and field because they allow athletes to come together to compete and win collectively as a team. Over the years, countries such as Jamaica and the United States have dominated the event on the global stage. Jamaica is one of the few countries that has earned Olympic gold medals in the 4x100 meters relay for both men and women. The land of wood and water got its first taste of success in the relay at the 1952 Helsinki Olympics when Arthur Wint, Leslie Lang, Herb McKinley, and George Roden won gold in the 4x400 meters relay. This is still the island's only Olympic gold medal in the men's event. Over the years, the Jamaican women have been more successful in the 4x400 meters relay at the Olympics compared to their men. This includes 3 silvers and 2 bronze medals between the 2000 Sydney Olympics and the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Despite having won gold in the event at the 2001 Edmonton World Championship and 2015 Beijing World Championship, Jamaica is still waiting to become the first Caribbean country to win gold in the event at the Olympics. Athletes such as Sandy Richards, Noveline Williams-Mills, Lorraine Fenton, Sharika Williams, Davita Pendergast, and others had the capability to achieve that feat, but all those athletes have now retired. Presently, the country's women's 400-meter runners are steadily on the rise, but these athletes have proven themselves capable of winning an Olympic gold medal for Jamaica in the 4x400 meters relay. But what would it take for them to achieve this almost elusive goal of winning Olympic gold? Would it take all the athletes running an average of 49.50 seconds or faster? This goal is definitely within reach, but the Jamaican women should be prepared to take on the likes of the United States and Netherlands, who often bring their A-game when a global medal is on the line. The Paris Olympics is getting closer, and the Jamaican women should be in a good position to challenge for gold in the 4x400 meters relay. We want to hear from you. Do you think Jamaica can win gold in the women's 4x400 meters relay at the Paris Olympics? Which athletes do you believe should be on the potential gold medal winning squad? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. As we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics, we are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.